The car was purchased with a case of whiskey. A Model T Ford, originally built in 1909, was bought in the 1960s by Bemidji's Veterans of Foreign Wars group in a simple exchange. It's been a part of many festivities in the area, and as our Jackson Bruner tells us, with a little help, it could be fully restored.
Bemidji's Veterans of Foreign Wars post wants to bring its Model T back to life. A car that's been a fixture in local events for decades. And the group needs help to get the job done.
We can't take any of the money that we get for the veterans. That all goes to the veterans. We need the fundraising to help restore this unit.
It goes back a long ways, and we just want to keep the old tradition going. We put a lot of money into this with the new tires and that, which cost us $800. And so we just thought it's time to give it a facelift and get her back into the parade. There isn't very many of these around. As far as I know, we're the only VFW in the state of Minnesota that has a car of this nature.
The car ran in the 2012 4th of July parade before it began to have issues when the carburetor needed to be replaced, and it ended up in storage for several years.
We used it last fall in the Besida Days parade, and we had not run it for a couple of years before that, I believe, because it had leaks in the engine, and so then we went ahead and fixed those.
And now the project has reached a new step, with metal foot plates soon to be installed and a paint job likely coming. It would be black, the veteran said, like Henry Ford's original Model T. In Bemidji, Jackson Bruner, Lakeland News.
The Henry Baggins Toss VFW Post 1260 needs to hit $2,000 raised in order to reach their goal of having a fully functioning Model T by the 4th of July in 2016. You can find their GoFundMe fundraising site by visiting our links page.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.